This is 5.3, day 2, part 3. We're continuing the AC method. This trinomial is leading coefficient of 3, so we have to use the AC method. You can just follow along on this example, or you can choose to write. Since our last example, we had you write down the steps. So we give you 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. We want to identify the A, the B, and the C. So our A is 3, our B is 4, and our C is 1. So the first step in the AC method is to multiply A and C together. So 3 times 1 is 3. Now we're going to go ahead and set up the T-chart. That is step 2. So in our T-chart, we're going to factor AC, which was 3 we found above. And we wanted to sum it to the middle term, B, which is 4. So now we think about all the factors of 3. And there isn't a lot. There is just 3 times 1 and negative 3 times negative 1. Now let's add those together. 3 plus 1 is 4. Negative 3 plus negative 1 is negative 4. Which one are we going to choose, the top one or the bottom one? We're going to choose the top one, the one that sums to 4. So the numbers we're going to work with are 3 and 1. So now we're on to step 3. We want to replace the middle term with what we just found in the chart. So we're going to replace the middle term with 3x and 1x. So here's our original 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. We're going to remove that 4x and replace it with 3x and 1x. Now we finish the rest of the problem using the grouping method because we've converted this trinomial to a polynomial of 4 terms. So it would be the best choice to group the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. So we're going to group 3x squared plus 3x, and then plus, and then 1x plus 1. So what we're going to factor out is a 3x here, and we're left with x plus 1. Over here, we're going to take out a 1, so we're left with x plus 1. And remember, the grouping method, when we get to this step, look at your parentheses. Your parentheses must match up. That is your new GCF. So what we're going to take out is the GCF, the x plus 1, and then our leftovers, after we take out the x plus 1s, is the 3x and the 1. And now our problem is completely factored. That is now the AC method. Your homework in class, we'll be back to that green worksheet. We're going to work on part D, the odds, using that T-chart method. And then part I, 1 through 15 odd, using the AC method.